When performing an MS Exchange mail level restore, the following error is shown in the restore log. This issue can occur if the mail items to be restored exceeded the message size limits, setting configured for the restore destination Exchange server. To resolve the issue, temporarily configure the maximum message size that can be received by recipients in the organization to unlimited before performing the restore. Check on the current max received size setting of the restore destination Exchange server. Enter the following command in Exchange PowerShell. For more details on the get transport config cmdlet, refer to the following Microsoft document. Click the link in the video description. Temporarily modify the max received size setting to unlimited. Enter the following command in Exchange PowerShell. Perform the MS Exchange mail level restore again afterward. Remember, revert the max received size setting to its original value afterward, or modify the setting according to the requirement of the mailbox users.